Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your dream companion subscription. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log in into your dream companion account, and once you logged in you will see this kind of dashboard, and at the left side of your window you will see there are lots of options. You need to scroll down and you need to click on your profile, you can like option, and there is an option like gear settings icon. Okay, you need to tap on this option, and once you tap on this option it will pop up a new window like profile setting. When you click on profile setting, it will redirect you on a new window like this one. Over here you can see there is a subscription option. Okay, so you can cancel your subscription on this window. Like if you have any subscription, right now I don't have any subscription. So if you have subscription, then it will show your subscription plan, or you can say update your plan option. When you click on this option, it will redirect on a new window where you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so by using this method you can easily cancel your subscription, and that's it. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.